From Helper to Hope, the biography of Gautam. Chapter 1. Humble Beginnings in Nanded. Gautam was born into a large family in the modest town of Nanded, Maharashtra. Life wasn't easy for the fifth child among seven siblings. Their home, a small and crowded apartment, bore the marks of their financial struggles. Gautam's mother, a resilient woman, worked tirelessly in the kitchen of a local hotel, scrubbing dishes from dawn to dusk to provide for her family. Despite the harshness of life, the young boy would often find himself lost in thought, staring out of the grimy window, watching other children play, all the while carrying the weight of responsibilities far beyond his years. Even at a young age, Gautam's curiosity was insatiable. He would sit beside his mother late at night, watching her sew clothes by the dim light of a lamp to make ends meet. While she worked, he would pepper her with questions about the stars, the planets, and everything beyond. His mother, though she lacked formal education, never discouraged his inquisitiveness. Instead, she nurtured it, planting the seeds of a dream in his heart. Education is your way out, my son, she would say. You can achieve anything if you set your mind to it. Chapter 2. The Struggle for Education. Gautam's journey through school was a testament to his unwavering determination. His days were filled with chores and helping his mother, but his nights were dedicated to learning. Often, he would be seen studying under a street lamp. The dim light, a stark contrast to the brilliance of his ambition. His hard work did not go unnoticed. Teachers at Sri Shivaji High School recognized his potential. The moment Gautam stood on stage to receive an award for topping his class was bittersweet. The pride he felt was tempered by the grim reality of his family's financial situation. His mother's teary-eyed smile from the audience was a reminder that their struggle was far from over. The applause faded and the weight of their poverty returned, but so did Gautam's resolve to rise above it. Determined to continue his education, Gautam secured admission to VN College. It was a challenging time as he juggled his studies with part-time jobs, doing whatever it took to keep his dreams alive. His mother's constant encouragement was his anchor. Though exhaustion often gnawed at him, the thought of a brighter future kept him going. His perseverance led him to ITM College, where he pursued a degree in BCA, each step forward marked by sacrifices and relentless effort. Gautam's acceptance into the prestigious D.Y. Patil Institute of Management in Pune for his MCA was a pivotal moment in his life. It was a dream come true, but it also brought new challenges. The mounting debt and his mother's meager earnings weighed heavily on him. Despite living on a shoestring budget, Gautam remained focused, driven by the vision of a better life for himself and his family. Then came the COVID-19 pandemic. Just as Gautam secured a job offer from a multinational corporation, the world came to a standstill. Trapped in Pune during the lockdown, his dreams were suddenly put on hold. The virus didn't just impact his career. It hit home when his father succumbed to the illness. The loss was devastating, yet in his grief, Gautam found a renewed sense of purpose. He knew his mother depended on him now more than ever. In September 2020, a lifeline arrived in the form of an offer letter from Virtusa. Gautam's first salary of 26,000 rupees was more than just a paycheck. It was the culmination of years of hard work, sacrifice, and his mother's unwavering belief in him. The moment he called his mother to share the news, tears of joy streamed down his face, knowing that their lives were about to change forever. Chapter 4. The Rise to Success. With his career finally taking off, Gautam didn't stop there. His passion for programming led him to write a book titled Java, The Important Reference. The book became a bestseller, a testament to his expertise and dedication. Gautam's name quickly became synonymous with success in the programming world. Gautam explored other avenues. He ventured into freelancing, training, and recruitment before landing his dream job at TCS. By 2024, he had not only overcome his humble beginnings but had also become a beacon of hope for others. His YouTube channel, Developer Corners, and his company of the same name empowered aspiring programmers, helping them navigate the complex world of coding. Gautam's journey came full circle when he returned to his old school, standing before a packed auditorium of students eager to hear his story. His voice, filled with emotion, echoed through the hall as he shared his experiences. From washing dishes to writing code, my journey is proof that with determination and support, you can achieve anything, he told them. Today, Gautam's life is a living testament to the power of resilience, hard work, and the transformative power of education. He is not just a successful programmer and entrepreneur, he is a beacon of hope and inspiration for countless others. His mother, now a proud observer of his achievements, can finally rest easy, knowing that her sacrifices paved the way for her son's success. Gautam's story doesn't end here. He continues to inspire and empower others through his work. His journey, a shining example of the indomitable human spirit. His story resonates with anyone who has ever faced adversity, a beacon of hope for generations to come. Gautam's life is a reminder that with determination, anything is possible.